Meaning of hootenanny.
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 Hootenanny. Hootenanny is a term with Southern American origins that refers to a social gathering or party with folk music and dancing. The word first gained popularity in the 1930s and 1940s during the rise of the folk music scene in the United States, particularly in the southern states. The term has since become synonymous with lively, informal gatherings where people come together to enjoy music, dance, and good company. Hootenannies are often associated with acoustic instruments such as guitars, banjos, and fiddles, and typically feature traditional folk songs and sing-alongs that encourage audience participation.